Robots were created to make our lives easier. They're designed to assist us with various tasks and activities, both at work and at home. With the help of robots, we can potentially save time and effort, allowing us to focus on the things we truly enjoy. In this video, we delve deeper into the different types of robots that are changing the world. As we reviewed in our previous video, robotics is the intersection of science, engineering, and technology that produces machines called robots. These programmable machines can assist humans or mimic human actions, and they are revolutionizing the way we carry out tasks that were once deemed impossible for humans. With their ability to vary in design, functionality, and a degree of autonomy, mechanical bots are efficiently fulfilling their designated tasks. From self-driving cars to drones, robots are making their mark in areas where human intervention seemed improbable. The world of robotics is continuously expanding, leaving us wondering what remarkable feats these machines will achieve next. But what are the different types of robots? In this video, we take a closer look at the 5 different categories of robotics: pre-programmed robots, humanoid robots, autonomous robots, teleoperated robots, and augmenting robots. Let's discuss these types in detail. Number 1. Pre-programmed robots. These robots are designed to operate in a controlled environment and perform simple, repetitive tasks. They follow a predetermined set of instructions and do not have the ability to adapt to change in the environment or to interact with humans. An example of a pre-programmed robot is a mechanical arm on an automotive assembly line. The arm is programmed to perform a single function, such as welding a door or inserting a certain part into the engine. Number 2. Humanoid robots. These robots are designed to look and or behave like humans. They have a head, torso, arms and legs, and can perform a variety of human-like activities such as walking, running, jumping, and carrying objects. They use advanced sensors and software to mimic human behavior and interact with their environment. 2 prominent examples of humanoid robots are: number 1, Sophia. Sophia was created from Hanson Robotics. Let's take a look at what Sophia is capable of doing.
Hi, Sophia.
Hello, Jimmy.
Oh my God. Do you know where you are?
Of course. I'm in New York City, and I'm on my favorite show.
Another example of a humanoid robot is number 2, Atlas by Boston Dynamics. Together, Sophia and Atlas represent the cutting edge of robotics technology, and the capabilities are constantly being improved on. It remains to be seen that new developments will come from these 2 impressive machines and the companies that created them. Another type of robotics is number 3, autonomous robots. These robots are designed to operate independently of human operators. They can perform tasks in open environments that do not require human supervision, such as exploring planets or performing searches and rescue missions. They use advanced sensors to perceive the environment and employ decision-making structures, such as a computer, to take the optimal next step based on their data and mission. An example of an autonomous robot is the Roomba vacuum cleaner, which uses sensors to navigate a room and avoid obstacles while cleaning. Moving down the robotics types, we come and see number 4, teleoperated robots. These robots are semi-autonomous bots that can be controlled remotely by a human operator from a safe distance. They are usually used in extreme geographical conditions or hazardous circumstances where human intervention is dangerous or impossible. Examples of teleoperated robots include the human-controlled submarines used to fix underwater pipe leaks during an oil spill, or drones used to detect landmines on a battlefield. And finally, Number 5. Augmenting Robots. These robots are designed to enhance or replace human capabilities. They are used to perform tasks that are difficult for humans to do, such as lifting heavy objects or walking long distances. An example of an augmenting robot is a robotic prosthetic limb or an exoskeleton used to help a person with mobility issues. These robots can greatly improve the quality of life for individuals who have lost their physical capabilities. As we explored the fascinating world of robotics and its different types, we cannot help but wonder what the future holds for these mechanical beings. Will they continue to assist us in carrying out difficult tasks, or will they surpass us in intelligence and autonomy, leading to a dystopian future? While robots have proven to be helpful in various industries, there is always the looming question of their ethical implications. Will we reach a point where robots become sentient beings and demand equal rights to humans? Or will we continue to treat them as tools, leading to a rebellion against their makers? Only time will tell what lies ahead for robotics and the impact they will have on our society. Will we embrace their potential to change the world? Or will we be doomed by our own creation? So stay tuned, and who knows, maybe the next time we meet, we'll be discussing the consequences of a robotic uprising.